ಸೊ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನ್ NGO ಶುರು ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಈ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಜನ್ಮ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
The mothers wanted their children to have better life, but they obviously could not give better lives themselves. ಆ ತರ 15 ತಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಂಪ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. What we did is, Anita, we only brought in children who were between the ages of 3, 4 and 5 because we could get them into schools. So we got them into a house next to where we lived in Koramangala and put a couple of matrons, they could take care of all their needs, and the moment they were 4 and 5, we started sending them to schools. So this program that started in 2000 with 15 girls, at the end of the first year we had the 15th child. That's when me and my wife realized, Anita, that if you have to be good parents, you must restrict the numbers to 15 or so.